Welcome inside one of the most advanced rocket factories on Earth. Every rocket begins as raw metal, carbon fiber, and advanced alloys.
Laser-guided machines cut rocket parts with microscopic precision.
This is where the rocket's structure begins to take shape.
Each weld must survive extreme heat, pressure, and vibration.
These tanks will hold fuel colder than Antarctica.
The engine is the heart of the rocket.
Every engine component must be perfect, down to microns.
One mistake here could mean mission failure.
This cone protects the payload during flight. Endure temperatures hotter than lava.
These cables connect the rocket's nervous system. This system guides the rocket through space.
Separates perfectly during flight. The rocket now stands nearly complete. Protects the rocket and reflects heat.
Each logo represents years of work.
Detail escapes inspection.
Every system is checked one last time.
Fueling is one of the most dangerous steps.
Work come down to this moment.
Systems are go.
Nine, 8.
Sequence start.